Okay. 5-HTP. No. So for those of you who don't want to watch the whole video, you can just stop there. Now I'll explain why. If you don't know, it's hydroxytryptophan, 5-hydroxytryptophan. It's on the pathway to making tryptophan, also increasing serotonin. It says supports a positive mood. I'll tell you 2 reasons why. By the way, they make it from a plant. First of all, when I first tried it, I didn't feel anything, and that was weird. And then later on, I tried it because I wanted to try to sleep, and I'm taking other things, so it's hard for me to say what is doing what. But I kept waking up in the middle of the night, like wired, like something's going on, like can't get back to sleep, racing thoughts, moving around, can't get comfortable. Then I read somewhere, and this is what kind of annoys me about a lot of the big, like Examine and stuff like that are really reputable, they're really stable, but there's a lot of small things that they miss. 5-HTP increases cortisol in some people. I think that was like one sentence in their article, and their article is like 20 pages long. That's huge. They should put that in the beginning of with side effects. They don't even have it in side effects here. I'll read it to you. Serotonin precursor, plants are rich in it. Griffonia simplicifolia is used for extraction commonly. Okay. Regulation for appetite. I heard it decreases appetite, not regulates it. But it says efficacy for regulating sleep and treating depression. By the way, don't take it with SSRIs. If you're on SSRIs, do not take 5-HTP. You could get serotonin syndrome. Treating depression and sleep disorders with GABA, which doesn't work for me either. GABA, no feeling at all. May play a role in weight loss. So that's another reason that I tried it. It's pretty strong. It does not suppress your appetite, but it makes you feel fuller. Drawbacks: serotonin syndrome, no toxicity at normal doses. It says serotonin syndrome has not been noted in humans, and it doesn't say anything. 5-HTP increases serotonin levels in the body, which may improve conditions known as low serotonin levels. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter that plays a role in regulating mood, sleep, memory, and various other processes. Kind of would like to know if it's waking me up at 3 o'clock in the morning and I can't get back to sleep. Will not be taking that again. I think I'll probably try it like in the daytime, in the morning or something, when my cortisol's up anyways. I have cortisol problems, so I get wired and anxious, like really easily, like even making a video like this. And anyone who's had anxiety can tell you it's exhausting, and you just want to be away from anything. You want to not have any external stimulation. Anything startles you, anything bothers you. You just need less stimulation. And then you get bored, and then you have to deal with that. Anyways. So that's enough of my problems. I don't recommend it. Certain people might be able to use it. You know the dangers. Go look it up. And I'll talk to you guys next week.